Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Elementor in WooCommerce. We'll dive right into transforming your online store's appearance. Elementor is a fantastic page builder that works hand in hand with WooCommerce, allowing you to design every aspect of your shop. You can create stunning product pages, customize your shop archives, and even refine the checkout experience, all without needing to write any code. This powerful duo gives you full creative control. Let's focus on customizing your individual product pages. Elementor provides a suite of specialized WooCommerce widgets, making it simple to design unique layouts. You can easily drag and drop elements such as product images, descriptions, pricing, and add to cart buttons. This allows you to create a visually appealing and highly functional page for each item, ensuring your products are presented in the best possible light to potential customers. Next, we'll explore how to design your main shop page and product archive layouts. Elementor allows you to build these pages with the same intuitive drag-and-drop interface. You can use the Products widget to dynamically display your items, controlling aspects like the number of columns, rows, and the specific product information visible. This ensures a cohesive and professional look across all your product listings, enhancing the overall shopping experience. Finally, let's talk about optimizing your cart and checkout pages, which are crucial for conversions. Elementor empowers you to customize these vital steps, ensuring a smooth and trustworthy experience for your customers. You can adjust layouts, add trust badges, and refine calls to action, all to minimize cart abandonment. A thoughtfully designed checkout process can significantly boost your sales and provide a professional final impression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.